We're now on the second hand of the 369 section. It is one of their math hands. So whenever you see this plus and this equals, there's no tiles for that. It's just one of the hands that they do as a math hand. And this one actually adds up, so it makes my math brain happy, not like that one that didn't. But this one starts with a pair of flowers. Remember, that's neutral. There's no suit. The rest of this one is all one color, so we know we're going to use one suit. That would be either cracks, bams, or dots. So we have a Kong of threes plus a Kong of sixes equals a Kong of nines. Then a second option for this hand would be to use, as you can tell, we have three different colors, so we could use three different sets. So we'd have our pair of flowers, which flowers are neutral, no suit there. And then our Kong of threes, our Kong of sixes in a second color. So we've got two different suits here. Then we have a third color. So we have a third suit of nines. The Kong of nines would be that third suit. So it says any one or three suits. That means all of these numbers have to be those numbers. We can't change those numbers. In this section, I'm pretty sure most of them are like that. And then it says any one or three suits. So that means this one will have just one suit, and this one, as you can tell from the colors, is three suits. So here's an example. I'm using cracks. So I've got my flowers, my threes, my sixes, and my nines all in cracks. I could, on the second option, I'm going to just leave my threes as cracks. I could use whichever suits that I would want to, as long as they're all three different. But I'm going to make my sixes the dots, and I'm going to make my nines the bams. So this would also be a legitimate Mahjong. Then if I wanted, or if I needed to use jokers, I could use the jokers in any of the Kongs. Can't use them in the pair, but any of these could be, jokers could be used in them. So have a wonderful, blessed day. If you have any questions, please ask.